We offer our many years of experience in the field of human potential with ideas and insights into how you can expand your awareness to become more conscious using two systems we have created. The mind is the map, and what we call the writing on our walls. We will guide you toward your personal self-discovery process and explain how these discoveries affect your life experiences. You will learn to use new tools that can empower you to lead fulfilling personal and professional lives.